Excellencies, distinguished delegates. On behalf of UNIDO, I would like to congratulate the 25th anniversary of INBAR and greet you all at the second Global Bamboo and Rattan Congress. We are facing tremendous global challenges. Using up our resources, too much greenhouse gas emissions. These are pushing the limits of our planet. 1/3 of the global agricultural land is degraded. Forest cover is shrinking. We need forests to stabilize soil and water. Without water, there is no food. We must act on this. Technology and innovation also includes nature-based solutions. All who know can see that bamboo and rattan are fast-growing and resilient. They provide forest cover and they provide livelihoods. Products from bamboo reduce timber demand. They provide fiber and fuel. We can even replace emission-intensive construction materials like steel and concrete with bamboo products. UNIDO has supported INBAR since 1997. And after our new relationship agreement last year, we are looking at more cooperation, working together in circular economies, regenerative agriculture and industry clusters, South-South technology and knowledge transfer, and using our global networks to share best practices among industry, policymakers, and investors. UNIDO will continue supporting INBAR and on using bamboo as a nature-based solution for sustainable development. Our motto is progress by innovation. The spirit of innovation is the same spirit that can solve the problems we face. I wish a happy 25th anniversary to INBAR and I wish you all success. Thank you so much.